Hey everyone, welcome back to Dhanuka Enterprises. If you're planning to build furniture, you've probably heard of plywood and blockboards. But do you know which one is best for your needs? Let's break it down. In plywood, thin layers of wood veneers are bonded together to achieve the desired strength. However, in blockboards, strips of wood, also known as lumber strips, are joined together side by side. The thickness of the lumber strips determines the thickness of the board. A typical blockboard construction includes center, strips of wood, front and back layers, core veneers, MDF or HDF. Surface, finish, face veneer, optional, which could be commercial, decorative, or melamine paper. The center of the board consists of wooden strips placed horizontally to achieve the desired width of the board, typically 4 feet, and vertically to achieve the desired length, typically 8 feet. The thickness of the wooden strips is adjusted to achieve the required board thickness. A frame is constructed using these strips, and it is bonded together using glue, wire, or staples. The frame is designed to ensure that there is no gap between the strips, whether horizontal or vertical. The front and back layers typically consist of wooden veneers in the thickness range of 1.5 mm to 2.5 mm on both sides, front and back. However, nowadays, a thin layer of MDF, medium density fiberboard, or HDF, high density fiberboard, is also used instead of the wooden veneer core. This is done to provide a smoother surface finish, as MDF has a smoother surface than wooden veneers. A face veneer is added to the front and back layers to provide the best surface finish, especially when the core veneer is used. However, the addition of a face veneer is not necessary if MDF or HDF is used instead of plywood core veneer. Thus, the typical construction of a blockboard is as follows. Front and back, either core veneer plus face veneer, or just MDF HDF. Center, solid wooden cores. Other types of fillers such as honeycomb, tubular particle, or solid particle boards can also be used for doors, which will be discussed later. For example, if the board thickness is 19 mm and the combined thickness of the core veneer and face veneer is 1.5 mm, applied to both sides, front and back, that means the front and back layers are 3 mm in total. Therefore, the frame thickness needs to be 16 mm. Once the frame is made, the front and back layers are prepared and glued together. The assembly process can be summarized as follows. Face veneer plus core veneer plus solid wood strip frame plus core veneer plus face veneer. Now let's summarize the major components. Wooden components, solid wood, softwood, hardwood, core veneer, face veneers, non-wooden components, chemicals, and glue. In upcoming write-ups, we will explore more about the quality and variants of blockboards. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy furniture planning.